These tunnels are our lifeline. We have intel Russian troop commanders are in town today. We're going to ambush them.
How?
Explosives.
That'll get their attention.
And pull security away from the Russian base, leaving it open to an attack.
We must hold nothing back.
Too far on that path, and we lose ourselves. Get set for the airbase attack.
Be safe. Alex, take these charges. C4 with remote detonator.
Thanks.
Watch my sister. Good luck.
You too.
Sara. Yalla. Merki?
زلمة كفو. Here, Alex. Put this on.
How do I look?
It'll do. Tarek, what's the report?
Russians are just outside. If they see your weapons, they will shoot.
That happens. Our plan fails before it starts. Alex, our guns give us away. Keep it hidden. Follow me.
I'm General Roman Barkov, your superior and commander of...
Barkov's forces occupy the entire city. They separate our men and women. They will be very strict. Their officers are coming.
Barkov show up?
Almost never. He hides while others do his dirty work.
What kind of dirty work?
Punishment. For
Men
fighting
on
back.
the work line! Women to the trucks!
This is where we split up. You'll need to comply to blend in.
In spite of my generosity and protection, there are forces in Uzbekistan who refuse to learn the lesson, keep them safe, and bring them peace and prosperity.
I'm through.
Go left, down the alley. See that soldier? كريم ديري بالك أخذت إكتك. You're resourceful. Good. Let's go. I have contacts posted just ahead. They'll have more explosives for us. A bigger blast will pull more forces away from the Russian base. Shit. Barkov's soldiers have found my contacts. They may be dead already.
Can't go loud. Need a suppressor.
Find an oil filter. It will silence your weapon.
That'll do it.
Good. Head back and flank right. Go around the truck. Right side.
Нафига?
You get two. I'll
Рабочая
take the
сила.
rest.
Пап, прислугу.
Какого черта?
Clear. Stay low. Move in. Hold up. Stay away from the door.
Осторожно. Могут быть растяжки.
Do you have a shot?
Clear.
This way.
Sorry about your contacts.
We have the explosives. Your sacrifice will not be in vain. Follow me. I'll lead.
To the fight, General Buck! You will be made an example of! What is this?
Please, she's just scared.
Stand down. I know what you mean. Do you understand why we do this? They hanged because they killed our soldiers. Now look at them.
The get moving.
We can live peacefully, but only if we help each other.
This is a goddamn war crime.
There is the terrorist
Punishment
who caused this
for the
pain
stolen
for
gas.
all of us.
Barkov blames us
Unite
for
our
stealing it.
causes.
What can we do?
Expose these terrorists.
Accomplish our
and you
mission
will be
and put an
rewarded.
end to Barkov's cruelty forever. Barkov is sending in helicopters. We take them out. Forces from the base will come running.
Giving us a window to attack.
Set explosives on the helicopter. I'll cover you. Guards get in your way. Take them out. Quietly. Meet back here when you're through.
Insurgents continue to launch senseless attacks in the name of so-called freedom. These homegrown terrorists are the cancer in this great country. There can be no order and no peace until those who sign
Down the entry.
are permanently
2 down.
eliminated.
Nice.
I am a American and a man of swift justice.
I'm at the target.
There is
You know
no
what to do.
judge or jury here. There is only crime and punishment. One by one, we will eliminate agitators from our streets and create a safe place
Alex, set your explosives.
and prosper under my authority.
Charge set. This will make one hell of a distraction.
That's the plan. Now get to the other helicopter.
These freedom fighters and their collaborators threaten the safety and security of those who follow the rules. Today, they will be punished. Those who believe that my forces will be defeated by these terror tactics and secret plans have made a grave miscalculation. I will never be pushed out of this land by an army of thieves and terrorists. We will root out these interventionists and hold this territory forever.
Stop. There's a guard. Top of the stairs, left side.
Good eye.
There will be no victory for our enemies.
Charges set.
Only death.
Regroup on my position.
Russia is here to defend your life, your liberty, your independence. My reserves of manpower are inexhaustible.
Work your way back here, Alex.
I will not be defeated by citizen soldiers. Uzbekistan
Alex, over here.
is leading. Her reserves of manpower.
We're clear. It's time.
These terrorist criminals are destroying this land. And today, we can make an example of those who refuse to follow my orders.
Blow it.
Fire in the hole.
Fucking beautiful, Alex. Well done. Now this way.
Wait. Take the left. Hold your fire. Look, it worked. Troops on the base are rushing into the fence. Okay, the tracks are undefended. Take them out next. return.
How generous of you.
A shame to miss the show, but we have to get on with our attacks before it's too late. The next street will lead us back to the tunnels under Tarek's.
Shit!
Potter, we're getting boxed in.
I'm going to blow it! Right, Alex, go right!
Holy shit!
Window!
Potter, what the hell is this?
More of Barkov's war crime. Alex, get down. Drop that cinder block.
Don't move. Keep your head still. Hold. Now, move on.
Вот почему мы сжигаем это место. Может, хоть в этот раз не дойдет.
Должно быть Карим.
I'm set. Shoot the left too. Good work. To the tunnel, quickly. More may be coming. Look, reinforcements from the airbase. Our plan is working. Stop. Shit. Tarek's door is open.
Where's Tarek?
Dead. He would never abandon his post. Let's go. Clear. Let's head down. Get to Hadir.
You lost good people today.
That is the cost of this war. Now let's take Barkov's airbase, so their deaths are not in vain.
We're in for a hell of a fight.
So are they. Hadir has a plan.